guys? Your boy Slim Weez.
And welcome back to our channel.
Alright guys, this is going to be a really quick video guys. We got a big live tonight. We're going live for the first time on Sippin with Me. Now we got a few special guests. We're kind of hungry. Earlier today, me bought rotisserie chicken. And I'm like, what we going to do with that? And so I figured, let's make a buffalo chicken dip. Nothing too big, too fancy. We're gonna make a cocktail at the end, something real light to prepare us for this live tonight. Don't go anywhere, Meet and I in the kitchen, real quick meal, live, YouTube, Sip with Meet and I, cocktail mix, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are. The dip. Now the dip you can make as a slider or as, regular nacho dip. And here's our drink. Alright guys, so let's go and get into this. First of all, look at this drink. Y'all, we got a big live tonight. We got a big live tonight, so y'all make sure y'all tap in. This is pre-game meal. Y'all know y'all play sports. It's the pre-game meal. So what this drink is called is a Dirty Shirley Temple.
It's very light.
For all my non-alcoholics, just make the same thing without the vodka. Again, Sprite, grenadine, ice. That's it. All right, and of course we drinking Fiore. Shout out to my man Clarence.
Hey, Clarence.
All right, guys, but let's get it look neat. Mirror, get this.
Come here, zoom in on this stuff, girl.
Y'all see this? It's gonna get that. Let's get that. Let's get that. Let's get that. Huh? You did that, hey.
Cause you did that.
Hey, stop
fronting. You did that.
Don't play with him.
Cause you did that.
So we can make this as
I think I will. Let's see too.
As a slider, or you can do it as chips. See this up. either way. Small
Our mini
portions.
plates, y'all. We got So this is our Labor Day meal. Look, normally we barbecue, we didn't barbecue today. There's some dip. Not too spicy. Not too hot.
You read my mind.
The dip. Nice light drink.
That's it. We're not gonna turn into a mukbang, but this is really good, guys. Let me get the camera quick. Let me get it one more again on this.
Ooh, that's perfect.
I'm gonna y'all get some of this goodness. Look at some of that goodness. Playing with them, Lord. All right, guys. So that's it. I hope y'all like this recipe menu.
No, we hope you love this recipe menu.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that bing, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to our new YouTube channel, Sippin with Mete and I. We're going live tonight for the first time, so whenever y'all watch this, y'all make sure y'all go back to our Sippin with Mete and I channel and catch the replay of this live. We love y'all. Make sure y'all please subscribe to this Mete and I YouTube channel. Like y'all know y'all like. Share this out. Follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Mete and I. We do posts daily, and also follow us on Mete and I 365. Baby, tell me the website.
It is shopmeetandI.com. Again, it is shopmeetandI.com.
Get all the merch, all the cups. But that's it, guys. We love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Enjoy y'all week. Be safe. Be blessed. Drink responsibly. Eat responsibly. Take care of yourself. Health come first. Health as well. We love y'all.
Oh.